So hello guys, good evening, and welcome to our midnight snack. But basically, I'm just checking out my DJI um, Pocket 2 and its microphone, and we're gonna have a midnight snack. In today's midnight snack, will feature our favorite snacks. We have the Oreo Golden Cookies. So it's golden. It's different. It's a vanilla sandwich cookies with vanilla flavored cream, and of course are the original fish crackers. This is like you know the food that we grew up eating. So let's start with the savory and salty one. So this is the original fish cracker, a product of Malabon, Metro Manila, A&S Marketing. So it's from fish, cornstarch, chili crumbs, monosodium glutamate, tatrazine, and flavoring. I know this is one of the cheapest snacks you can buy when you're younger, and my brother loves this so much, so hype it. So yeah, basically I'm checking out also here. I'm basically recording, checking out my video while I watch you, because you can actually zoom in. Wait. Alright, you can zoom into me and my mouth, and yeah. So that's the So let's zoom into my mouth there. mm. 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 Let's zoom out. Oh, just checking out this gimbal. We just have fun with it. Oh, I centered it, but yeah. But we can. I want to see what else can I do with this one. What's this? Oh, I can flip the screen, but no. Sorry. What else? Follow. Follow. So we'll have it follow me. Yeah, there. So we'll just tilt it a bit higher, so that for better angle. I'm wasting a lot of delicious fish cracker. I think there's a spicy version of this one, but this is the original. And up to now, it's enjoyable. It's enjoyable to eat. It's not as crunchy as chicharron, but it's I don't know. It's you might not find yummy. You might not find like you might say you're like eating a carton, but me, I grew up eating this food, and it tastes like childhood. So now the Oreos now. This is the golden. It's vanilla now. There. So of course this is from Mondelez, makers of the best snacks. Also the same company behind Tang. Should have got a glass of milk. Wait a minute. Sorry about that. course. Sorry, let's finish it off. Anyway, it's a midnight snack. Yeah. Mm. 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 I'm still having hard time controls of this one, but hey, no worries. Anyway, you can adjust your gimbal if it's too low. Mm-hmm. That's too high. Yeah. So, there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me in this midnight snack. So, how about you guys? What's your favorite snacks when you're a kid? Do you have any favorites like this fish crackers? Mm. Let me know. So let me try it out in my next midnight snack. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye bye.